there's some people that battle all day. They battle all day. And they make money at that. Right? Now, the reason I can't, hey, Yolanda, I don't battle when I'm talking is because I'm pretty competitive. I'm not going to be talking about that. No. Don't battle me. I'm competitive. We're battling the battle. Standing hot and Angie, come on, figure out what I'm here we're talking about. Okay, prove it. They put the body, when you think binder mean, what draws something out? What kind of binder do you need to help draw the stuff out? To help them draw the hair so they can get. Eat the okra to put them. What draws something out? What kind of binder do you need to help draw the stuff out? To help them draw the hair so they can get. Eat the okra to put them. And it's silky. That's what it is. It's silky. It's silky. Let me see if I can find there's a little back. I wish I had sharing those. Can I go in? Wow. I don't see my boxing gloves. I don't see my boxing. Y'all tell me where my boxing gloves. Where my boxing gloves go? I tell you what. The Zoom meets every day, Mondays, CVP time. It didn't have all this stuff. CVP time. Yeah, it is. I don't see my boxing gloves. My boxing gloves. Pretty fine. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm doing good. We got it. I'm trying to battle, and normally there's some boxing gloves that come on, but I don't see my boxing gloves. Let's see why I don't see them. Especially if you're over 50. Doesn't matter if you
All righty. Have a good one.
I'll see you.
No, yes. But no, I mean, I'm not talking anything, so you're good. Yeah, you're good. See you later, Birch Walls. Yeah. I think they went out. I think Biscuit went outside. Okay. See ya.
is the better play for me. Yeah. Titan Fitness, my friend Tom Howley sent me here. I'll be getting the ebook today. Looks amazing. Awesome, bro. Amazing to hear. Amazing to hear. Yeah, I just shared something from Tom here. Very nice. 1 year and 1 month under Lorenzo Corrado. Thomas Howley is now officially a funded elite trader. Big shout out to you, Tom. Congratulations, man. Well done. Well deserved. Hard work, right? Hard work is paying off, man. I'm very happy about it. Very proud of you. Sometimes it's open your prop firm. Only when we're in like a trade or we enter a new position or whatever the case may be here. We can actually see some of the P&L. By the way, at the same time, I might be able to take a trade today on my personal account as well here. Let's see how that goes. In case something happens, if it's a clean setup,
I might take a trade for my personal account as well, instead of just the proper challenge the on the account.
I can outline the main differences between entry model 1 and between entry model 4. Entry model
Something was wrong. Try again in a few seconds.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. If you can hear me, put a 1 in the chat. Good morning, Miss Christine. What's going on? All right, so I'm actually in a position with USD. First off, can you guys hear me? Let me check. Let me check on my side just to make sure that I'm loud and clear. That I am loud and clear. Hopefully, y'all had a good, nice rest. Okay, it is clear, so we're good. Thanks, Christine. So yeah, hopefully you guys had a good night's rest. I'm in a position right now with USD, JPY. This is forex pairs, which it's there. It's not easy to trade, but it's easy to trade if you know, basic fundamentals in terms of chart structure, directional analysis, just some basic things to look at. But it's I tell you, if you want to practice, you can actually set up a meta trade 4. Is it meta trade? Meta MT4 through, I think, you can use 4X if you want to. But anyway, MT4 gives you a free demo account where you can go in and kind of look at, make some practice trades. Even though it's not real money, you probably should treat it as such. So when I signed up, I've had a couple of free demo accounts, and I love it because I can, place my wildest dream bet and see what happens to it if it doesn't materialize. If it doesn't materialize, then there's no loss there. But again, you want to practice makes perfect. It makes you better. And in terms of growth, that's what you want. You want to see growth in the charts, growth in your knowledge and wisdom, and trading. So I actually was in a sell right around 150. Let me see where I got 153.862. So I thought the market was going to come back to that price point. Excuse me, and it may a little bit later on, but it doesn't look like it right now. I don't think we'll see that in a minute unless we get rejection here. We may not turn back around. So we'll see. We'll see. The market can do anything it wants to do. We are in an uptrend overall. But yeah, we're going to see what the market decides to do. That's why sometimes it's best to wait on the market maker to give you these big candles here. So that way you can just kind of ride the momentum. When you get these tiny little itty bitty candles, it's hard to determine which direction it's going to go. There's not a lot of volume up here, but at the top, then most likely we will return back to previous support down here. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm actually going to move that up, and that would be if we did reverse, that would be one of my take profits. Or actually, I would put in an additional play up here and then ride it down to potential VWAP or whatever. So you have to have a lot of patience when it comes to trading. If you don't, then a lot of times you will end up just kind of losing your butt and saying, "Man, why didn't I hold that trade?" or "Why didn't I make a decision?" I've seen where people will hold positions all the way to their count goes to zero. I've been there, and thinking it's going to come back. That's a dream, because most likely, if it's past a percentage point, past your entry point, going the opposite direction. I mean, unless if it doesn't come back by a certain time, you're not going to get that back. That's why having outdated contracts, if you're doing options, further out, so that way you can time will be on your side if you can materialize a lot faster with your position, versus you don't have to hold it all the way through till when it expires. But one thing about Forex is that unless you get margin called, they don't expire. You just you can stay in play for as long as you want to, as long as it's headed favorable in your direction. But you can always hedge against it, meaning that if I place an order, let's say right here, right at 153.973, if I place an order there as a sell, basically saying that the price is going to go back, it may touch, but it's going to drop back down. You're making money coming up, making money going down. That's the benefit of that for Forex, and options too. Do the same thing, but that's just one of the benefits to playing this game. And I love it. I don't like to lose, but losing a certain amount of capital makes you humble. It really does, and it forces you to look at your trades a little differently than you looked at your trades before. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm hoping we get rejected here and we come back a little bit, so I can either exit that position and get into another one, or be patient and wait. But I don't want to wait too long. If it goes past that resistance point, then we may just keep going for a little while longer, and it may not come back down. Until Friday. But then with Forex, you can trade it 24 hours a day. And I do think on the weekends, it's a close. I believe so, but I may be mistaken. But anyway, I think it They come back Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern, if I'm not mistaken. But that's when you can resume trading futures and or for forex pairs. So I'm glad you guys were able to stop by and show some love. I wasn't planning on talking until I seen Christine's message there. She's one of the mods on the channel. I've always been supporting for a long time, like back in the day. So I appreciate that. Appreciate your strength there, your willingness to help out. Anyway, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Just kind of waiting for price to settle down and see where it's going to go. The market's going to open up here in about 30 minutes for stocks and options and all that kind of stuff. So may see a little bit of drawback here, and I'm fine with that. If it does come back, that's good. I can either increase my position or I can, get out of the position and profit if it comes back down to my target, which is 153.09. I got it at 153.862. So actually, I would need it to hit 153.862 and below to start seeing some of that money come back, because I'm right at the entry point of 153.862. So I needed to come back to that, so that way I can start making profit. If not, I can cut a loss of $10, $20, $40. Right now, it's at a loss of $86.53, and it keeps fluctuating. And like I said, they move quickly. When they start to move, they move very quickly. So you got to catch. That's why people were able to make millions and millions of dollars in this market, on the forex market. There's a guy named Cy out there. I mean, I think he just turned 22 or something like that. Dude made $100 million in trading forex pairs, particularly gold. $100 million. And dude is 22. I'm like, what? He shows us his portfolio and everything. I'm like, wow, this. I mean, it's real. It's real. You just don't want to. Your mind says, how is that even possible? But it very well is possible, especially if you're managing your risk. I'm assuming that he did a lot of YOLOs too. You only live once. Let me go in with 100 grand or something like that. And then you 3x your position. I'm trying to see if we're going to consolidate here. We're going to keep going up. They want to break that high. Yeah, wick went all the way up there. You see this candle's about to close here. I'm on the 1 minute. And it went higher. That's why I like looking at the 1 minute. I'm going to go ahead and close this trade out. I don't want to lose too much more on speculation that it's going to return back to this price. Look at the 30 minute, 45 minute. It's all bullish. Maybe they'll grab some liquidity there, and the bears may take over. So it's actually not too late. I don't really foresee it going too much further. If we hit this, where were we at on the 17th or the 3rd of November? That was Monday. We closed somewhere around here. Then reopen Tuesday. Reopen on Tuesday. Let's look at 8 o'clock. We opened here. There was a bit of a sell-off, and we opened right here, and the sell-off continued until today. And your 9 o'clock candle is right here. So 9:30 was right there too as well. And then it kind of just blasted off from there. So you see where we're at. If we break these trend lines right here, these next levels, then definitely gonna exit. I don't want to go too much. I'm trying to see how much to pull back. But 30-minute chart looking bullish, 15-minute chart looking a little bullish. Okay, that's on the 1 minute though. Let me see if we got a little turnaround, little reversal. No, I don't think so. That's just on 1 minute. You can definitely enter and exit positions on the 1 minute time frame at like a sniper, because when these things move, they move. I'm telling you, when they move, and you need to grab your money and get out. I wish I could have been able to ride this yesterday, 21,930. So yeah, I wish I was able to ride that. I should have been taking a look, and that sucker came all the way back down. That's like 200 pips. 484 to 154, 484. All the way down to the low of, I would have caught that bottom wick. 153.02. It's almost 400 pips. That would have been a beautiful trade. All the way down. All the way down. If you held it Monday, Tuesday, into Wednesday, because you would have wanted to get out here at the bottom. Yeah. Same thing here. Price says nope. All right. I'm gonna go back to focusing, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna exit my position here because it doesn't seem like it's gonna. As soon as I get out, it's gonna decide. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and reverse on you. See, like I'm the only one that matters here. As soon as I exit my trade, all of a sudden, oh, you become a bear. How? Are you watching me? I'll tell you. It seems like that when you trade, you get out of position. You get out of a position, and it seems all of a sudden it reverses the opposite direction. Like what? How? How? That's why we got to get good at beating the market maker, because they will play these silly games. The one thing I like about futures and forex is that there's no time decay. There's no time decay. You don't have to worry about delta, beta, gamma, all that kind of stuff. You don't have to worry about all of that when you're trading currency pairs. You don't. In and out trading. Come on, give me a big drop. I'm holding that position. I haven't sold it yet. I thought it was going to keep coming up here to 162. And I think that could be where we're going, 162. Grabbing that, and then the bears take over. That'd be a double top. Unless it breaks, boom, and the new high would be, let's see, 161.951. When did we hit that high? Oh, that's back in now. I'm looking all of 1983. It's a long time ago. Took my little smiley faces out of here. I already hit them. I was just labeling it with smiley face. That way I know which direction. We'll at least have a better idea in terms of which direction. Come on now. Delete, remove. delete, 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 delete. Yeah, I'm about to get out of it. I'll take it. I'm still waiting because price could retrace back. But I don't like hypotheticals. I'm getting out. Close the position. But now I'm going to wait until if we go back and hit that top again. And then maybe we'll do the same thing we did back on Monday. So that was in July. Hold on. We already broke that downward trend. Yeah, we didn't even bounce off of it. Just went straight through it. Just went straight through that. Those big candles too. That's what I'm talking about, these market maker candles. It's 15 minutes. Give me 1 minute. Let me see. It's 10 minutes. That's funny how we didn't, another arrow didn't pop up here. That's why you can't rely upon 100% of these indicators or whatever, because anything can happen. And trying to call the top is no bueno. Don't try to call the top. Hmm. Why can't I get in? What's going on? What's going on with my internet connection? Twenty more minutes. Yeah, my original position was down here. I think that's when I first got in. Or was it up here? I'll go back and take a look. All right, y'all, be quiet for a little bit so I can focus. See, that gave me two more arrows. These are both almost an hour or 2 hours apart, or 3 hours apart. This is on a 30-minute time frame. So it kind of measures the next move based off of previous price. And that's how you can come up with, your entry, the extra points. I definitely recommend using trend lines too. That would be helpful. Support resistance. The highest we were at was 154.83. That was on Monday. Let's see. Yeah, 154.393, somewhere around there. It came down and it just kind of consolidated for a minute. Got to create some structure. Market maker said, yeah, you want to create some structure? Here we go. Let's head on up. Boom, boom. Consolidation zone. Boom, boom. Couple of false signals here. And then whoop, whoop, another signal, but it was on a different time frame. So most people will probably either exit or enter here, thinking we're going to go here up top to 153, but I don't want to speculate anything because that's how you lose your butt. And if you go over your loss for the day, then call it that. Leave it alone if you're done. Don't go back to trading. But if you want to make that money back, don't go back to it. It's risky. And you're like, oh, all things are off the table. I'm going all in. You're going to go all in again and get ruined. Unless you have a secret sauce, but I don't know anyone who has a secret sauce that they've taken significant loss and been able to get it back the next day without self-preservation. You know what I'm saying? Or they're trading angry and they're trading while they're angry. Yeah, I said that right. They're upset because they're not in position where they want to be. So, including talking to myself too. So going back in, I'm gonna get them. They become my worst enemy. The market got them. $10 minutes. The right information can change your life for sure. We're kind of waiting to see if we're going to get some type of reversal or hit some resistance. I don't know why it seems like it's just moving real slow. It's like nothing moving fast at all. I like how gold moves. Gold and XAU and USD. Like how XAU moves. Of course, you can trade that on one of the platforms. It moves a lot faster than freaking SPX and SPY. This thing moving at all 1 minute? Excuse me. See how it did me? I should have just could have just waited, but I didn't. It's all good. Mm-hmm. Got 1 minute till the market opens. Market is live, folks. Market is live. Market is open.
All right. My condition looking open at the bearish, folks. Okay. Just bear with me. Bear with me, folks. Give me some time. All right, market open up right here. We are in sideways on the POC right there. Look at the here, still bears are condition at the open, looking bearish. We'll see. All right. Nothing running away. All right, look at the volume coming. Squeeze bearish condition is also bearish at the open. All right, look at those conditions. Look at the negative bearish. Bears are coming in right away. Wow. Okay, quickly. All indexes are like the interesting. Bears are lining up. Look at the ticks are going down too. That's okay. Premiums are still double. Premiums are higher than normal, folks. Okay. So you need to deep in the money. Huh? Right, price actions are below POC on spine QQQ IWM is bouncing. Market still want to push it lower. Palantir dumping right away. Okay. A lot of stocks are looking bearish. Rivian is bouncing. Well, Amazon looking bearish, Google looking bearish, pointing Apple, Google, Tesla, SMCI. Okay. Pointing everything south. Right. Most of the stocks are pointing south. So be careful on the long side until major thing happens. Alrighty. Okay, wait. I'll take care of Discord people for just a second. If any discrepancy. Okay.
Already pushing lower. Hey. Already just started out. That's a big red candle. Probably going to continue down where? I don't know. Where are you going? Get there.
All right, market kind of push it up, a little market kind of brought it up. Or okay, we do you see market kind of push it up, folks. All right, we are high right now. Google trying to bounce. ABGA bouncing too.
$674 was the low. 674.
Sorry. Okay. Still market at the POC, folks, and premium that jacked up, 100% premium that jacked up. Be careful. Morning now will be very, very difficult to make money. Okay. Conditions are still bearish. Still holding POC. SPY pushing lower. Either is not pushing lower. Condition that is more. That's all right. It look like bears are coming in now here. Yeah. So the volume squeeze continuation conditions also bearish. Remember, folks, this area 673 area is very, very careful. Be careful. Okay, there's a support here. Try to show the market. Be careful. Market right now pushing lower, but according to the grab the bear. That area. So pre-market we were down here. Previous day high here. But these are the level to remember. And this area. Okay, for today. Huge difference there. Okay. I don't see anything interesting right away. Intel trying to bounce, Mara trying to bounce, VPN is bouncing. Okay. Still below the cloud conditions. What's coming? Here we go. Condition still there. Maybe kind of cross here. You see there. Right. Folks, don't forget to click the like button, morning likes. Maybe kind of cross here. Volume that coming bullish. Bulls are trying to push it up. Folks, right here, as you can see.
Condition is still there, squeeze there, but IWM is also dead. Yep, pushing market time to push it up. Bullish. QQQ, IW, all three indexes are powering up, okay? Just a second. Sorry, that's it. I had a call. Okay. And like it, folks, market look like a bullish. Man. Okay, nice bullish. Ticks are down. Market want to go higher. Power up. Okay. Still waiting. Bullish. You got a QQQ and IW and all, everything is looking like a rock solid bullish. Folks, this is nice and bullish. Market want to go. Today those gonna hold in the morning. could print money. That's what it appears to me here right now. Look at those look at the power market has. Bullish. Ticks are going lower. Wait for cycle if they're gonna clear or not. But volume, squeeze, everything looking nice. Okay. Normally they do create. Look at the volume, look at man. These people want to go on, they don't want to squeeze giving up. Negative bullish, volume piling up, they want to go pre-market high. This is the previous area to watch. Bullish. Ticks are going. Look at the negative right now. Okay, bullish. Alright. Whenever I chase and then market reverse and then I get trapped. Okay, so I don't chase at the top, but yes, they are bullish. It's up to you. Because in the morning time you need 3 candles to print money. Alright, going nice. Look at the bulls are here, look at the negative powerful volume, okay? Market want to go. Alright. I don't chase, but it's absolutely looking good. Look at the MACD right now, looking powerful, right? Amazing. Q. Everything is pointing now. Remember, Sunday market update video. What did I tell you, folks? Sunday market video, Sunday. Okay, and watch that video. So there are those levels that are very important to play. Okay. If you see a nice design pullback, ticks are still lower and market is going higher and higher. Okay, that's the strength market has. They want to fly. Okay, going boom. Bullish. Look at that. Okay, something is cooking up there at the top. Still pushing. Bullish. Look at the QQQ, IW, all 3 indexes. Whenever you see Propel lines up under all 3 indexes, man, that's the money. Look at the QQQ still pushing, ticks are going lower and lower. All right, amazing, amazing. Great. Look at the Q. Market want to go. MACD bullish, pushing higher. Zero weakness, folks. Okay, just to let you know, market got a zero weakness, and now they're piling up with the four cylinder because oversold. People want to line up. Bulls are lining up. That's what normally happens. Look at the fire. Alrighty. Market is like super strong bullish. Okay, super strong. Look at these candles are like outstanding power coming. Outstanding power. Okay. Look at the power, volume, everything. You need a nice pullback if market does it. Market is pumping, yield is rising. Look at the volume. Bullish. Look at this power. Market got a solid power. Mara bouncing too. Alrighty. Now be careful here at the top and see what kind of things they will do. Still solid bulls. QQQ, IWM, all our bulls are there. Solid bulls. Wow, they want to go, man. QQQ, IWM. Previous day high area right here, 679 area right here. Alright, market wants to go. This is solid power. Outstanding power market has. They dumped it and now they want to take it out. Okay. Bulls are like crazy. Going. Today is going. Amazing power has all three indexes. Alright, pullback coming. Look at the QQQ piling up. Market is going right away. Still volume the power there, okay? Still strong volume. I don't chase and I'll wait for the power pullback. Look at the volume coming. Still bullish, strong bullish. The ticks are still negative. Market got still bulls are there. Alrighty. Let me look at the order flow today, folks. Very important to look at it right today. Alright, let me bring it. Alright, this is your order flow, folks, right here. There's no phantom print or anything like that, okay, today. QQQQQ has a phantom print coming in at 633, 634. Wow. Way high. That's way high, right? Wow, look at the pullback. Look at that. We missed it. Pulling it back. Still bulls are there. Yeah, ticks are bouncing. I doubt they're gonna pull back like that because there's a lot of bulls are here. Let's see. Sometimes we gotta wait. I need to see the volume. What kind of volume coming in? Sometimes they try to go all the way down also, right? Sometimes they reverse. That's why I need to wait, see what their game plan is. Rushing is... Alright, we'll see. Maybe filling up the gas.